You can create interactive animations with our tool without relying on a developer's help. In this video, we'll take this toggle animation and make it interactive on click. Open the Export panel, select SVG. By default, animations play on load. They start as soon as the page loads. For interactive elements like toggles and buttons, we want user control. Under Animation, select Animation Start on click. You can also select a second click behavior. On click plays the animation once each time the element is clicked. On second click, you can set the animation to reverse, perfect for toggles that need to switch between states. You can also make the animation pause, restart, or continue on second click. Choose the behavior that matches your use case. Preview your exported file to confirm the interaction works as expected. Awesome! That's it.